Hey everybody, how are you guys doing again? So come on in. What I have here is a design board. And you use a design board when you want to lay out a bracelet or lay out a necklace. So I'm designing from these colors right here. Yellows and purples. Well, light yellow, purple, and pink. Not a lot of yellow. So that's my design theme right there. Okay, so I'll probably use some seed beads, but anyway, welcome and come on in. Welcome and come on in. So all we doing, I have no idea how I'm going to do this, okay? So I got the seed beads in order. And let me chop it up because if these things spill, and these are bead treasure seed beads, Hobby Lobby. And these are some just regular wooden beads. They're really not white, but they are still the same color as the bead in there. I was kind of wanting them to be white, but they're not. I didn't have any, so we're just going to try to figure out how to do this with what we got. And I'm using these little flat rondelle beads. That's what I'm going to call them. I don't really know the shell-like beads. As far as like the legal name, don't know that. So we're going to close that up. I might have to get a little bit more. I'm not sure. So we only going to make this 16 inches. And I'm going to use this pendant. It already has the 6mm O-ring. I'll probably switch it out. And these are dyed jade. And I got these from my bead man. And dyed jade, stunning color in a natural jade. Okay. And I am out of my Bead Along 19 strand. So I'm on the 7th strand. And I've already cut about this amount. I just didn't measure it. All I did was cut it. So let's see how long. Okay, only got 34 minutes. I hope this might take more than 34 minutes, guys. Maybe a part 1 and a part 2. I hope not. 19. This is like 19 inches. And we only needed like a 16. Let's see. Where is it at? Am I chocolate? Oh gosh, I hope this works. I might have done 16 and 8 and 8, 16. So hopefully it's long enough when I put the closures on there. Now what I did was I went ahead and closed this off already. So all I did was took my clasp, regular size clasp, a little bit smaller. I don't know where these clasps come from. Are they trying to act janky on me? You know, when you open them up, they don't want to close back. What the heck? What kind of clasps are these? Okay. It's clinging back. Better. So what I did was I went ahead, cut my cord, my beading wire already, and I left about that much space. And I used, y'all, these little tubes. I forget the name of them. Oh my gosh. Why I'm on here trying to do some jewelry and don't even know the name of these, what are these things called, y'all? I always forget the name of these. But anyway, what is this? This is what you use when you want to hold your wire together. Your beading wire. Beading, crimp. I think these are like little crimp tubes. That's what they are. Thank you. Thank you, Spirit, for kicking in for the old lady. So I've already put the crimp on there. So what I'm going to do now is, I got some crimp tube covers I'm going to use, since this is, when I put it on there, it's flat. You really don't have to, but I think I will. I got some crimp tubes somewhere in here. Crimp covers, not crimp tubes, but where did I put them? I got one right there, a little silver looking cover. Crimp tube. But that one looked kind of big. I need a smaller one. Oh, where in the heck? Give me a minute. I might have to come back on this one, guys, because okay, got a ton. That's a small one. And for this, since that wire is like a 7, that's what I need. I need the smaller ones. I don't need the larger ones. So let's see here. Oh my goodness. I tell you, you can't. Oh, wait a minute. Why everything want to come on now when I'm filming this video, y'all? The air, the refrigerator. Okay, so we're going to go with this right here. I found this one. So all you do is, and I got my crimp pliers. Now where did I put? Oh, right here in front of me, the crimp. 2 pliers. Yo, forgive me. So I'm going to show you how I work it. So all you do is you slip it in. Now, see, this is why I love the easy crimps, because with the easy crimps, you do not have to do all of this. So the reason I'm using these crimp, these are called crimp covers, because I want to make it like a little bead. And honestly now, we just practicing over here. Sometimes I can get it right. And I tell you what, sometimes I will mess it up. So you see those little crimp holes in there? See that? When I closed it up, you see that little opening? The little grooves inside. That's what makes the bead round. But you have to fit it in there properly. And be very careful with it. And you make sure it's in the little, like, see, that was off a little bit. This is why I use easy crimps. Because when you do these, I'm telling you guys, especially on camera. See, now if I had did it bigger, the bead would be a bigger bead, and I really don't want a bigger bead. I want this side bead. So you could use this, or I could have used either one of those other tubes. And, you know, kind of close her up good. I'm going to... See how I form the bead, and you just To make it perfect, you just squeeze down on it. Just a little bit. And it just forms a bead. See that? But I'm not through with it because you have to move it around to make it almost kind of perfect. Just practice make perfect, huh? See, sometimes I can get them good and sometimes I can't. So if I mess up, guess what? I just start all over again. Trying to get this to fit in there properly. So guys, don't hold it against me. Some of these tubes, that's why I buy these tubes, because it's easier to use these tubes. And I'd have messed this up, so I'm going to have to start all over again. Oh, I got it. See that? Yes. So now I got that side done. So now all we doing is, give me a minute, I'm going to turn this air on. That made me hot. Okay, I'm back. So now what we are going, I didn't lay the pattern out, so what we're going to do is lay the pattern out also. So if this one cut off, I might end up just doing this video all over again. It says I got 34 minutes. So we got her laid out. See what I'm doing? I'm going to put it on the outer skirts. I don't know why. Because I need to see what it looks like when I add the other beads in there. And I'm probably not going to. So I need it to come to right there. Whatever my design is. But thank you for coming in, everybody. Excuse me. So this is stopping at, let's see what kind of beads I got here. So let me know how many is on each side. So that's like a little bit over 5.5. So what we got here. I got more beads. See, now that's right at 6. Okay, so I move one bead. So right there, that's right at 6 also. Okay, so what we're going to do now is, how do I want this to be done? We're going to, do I want seed beads? I wish I had another. I need another type of bead to go right there. That is not a seed bead. Well, let's see what else I got in here. That's too big. I don't want that to go. Now something like this, but I have a little bling in it. And I got bling over there. So we're going to put that right there. Let's see, can I find another one? Yep. So we got a little bling. Those go right there. Okay. This is how I do my patterns. And it takes, so remember I told you when I do my patterns, you do your patterns in 3s, 5s, or 9. And odd numbers. So like I got 3 on that side. So I'm going to put the wooden bead right there. And I got 3 right there, so I'm going to put another wooden bead right there. But while I'm putting those wooden beads there, let me tell you what else I'm going to do. You see these? Because I got some of these on this bracelet. So we're going to put 3 of these on that side. And we're going to come back and put 3 on the opposite side also. Remember me telling you in 3s and odd numbers in other. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. That's it. So I don't care. I'm not, the colors don't matter right now. What I do on that side because I got yellow. So we're going to do, come on y'all, let's get right here. 3, 3 there. We're going to come back. Okay, guys, it looks like we're getting ready to get another storm out here. We're just getting these little spurts of our solar storm, and it's happening all over. Okay, we're doing 3 there, and we're going to put you back. This might be pretty decent. So we're going to come and do 3 again. I got these seed beads, but I don't know how I want to incorporate the seed beads just yet. I might not incorporate, even, I got seed beads on the bracelet. I'm going to put the seed, I'm going back. I'm going to add the seed beads. No, I'm not. I'll figure something out. I don't need these elephants. So we're doing another wooden piece. Right there. Unless I could have did the seed beads down here and then put the chips right there. But anyway, we're going to do it this way. So I'm doing 3 more right there on that side. Yep, come on in. We are designing a necklace. We're laying the pattern out for a necklace. And we're going to do 3 over here. Okay. Seed bead. Yep, that's what I'm doing. The seed beads. I'm doing 1 seed bead before and after the wooden bead. Yep, that's how you do it. Like right here. Seed bead. There we go. Right there, seed bead. Okay. So now I got to do, y'all good today? See, when I do this, I like to, do this and be all in my head with this design. 1, 2, 3, and go right there. And we're doing 3 on the other side. And don't ask me, I don't know why these necklaces and bracelet things look nicer with 3 and 3s, in odd numbers. So we're doing that. And we're going to slide in right here. That's why I hate when you use these little flat, these little things right there. They don't stand up. Beads are way better, cooler, but it's okay. It'll look nice once the necklace, you know, come on in. Push y'all there. Got your seed bead. And we're going to generate there. And we're going to do it one more time right there. Now these beads right there and that one, I definitely don't, I think I got some more of these, but I do not have any more of those pink ones. Because I think I need to incorporate some of them in here also. Then I also got some purple in here also. I got a little blue, purple, and I got a little bit of everything in there, so I got that one. So I might incorporate a few of these chips, these purple chips on the next line. I don't know if I like that. Let's see, 1, 2. I'm going to do 2 right there and put the pink right there. So that means I need to find 2 more and add a pink right there. So I got to do that on that side. I hope I got some in here. And those are the earrings that I've already done. That's blue. I guess I should already have my pattern, you know, the beads picked out, shouldn't I? Of what I was going to do. A little seed bead. And seed bead. Okay. I'm out of purple, y'all. Okay, I might have to scrap up. That's blue. If I could get one more, it would be awesome, y'all. One more and I'll go to those are blues. Looking for a purple. I think I got it. I'm gonna let that purple ride. Oh, that's not gonna do. You know why? Oh yeah, that's it. 1, 2. Nope, because I don't have 3 more purple beads for the other side. All right, y'all. I'm 23 minutes in now, and it's too long. No green. But hang in there, guys. I almost got it. Okay, got it. This is don't know what color those are, but anyway. So that's that, guys. So this is sort of the pattern that I am going to go with for now. And these are the cute earrings. So what I am going to do now is shut this video down, and I'm going to come back and show you guys how I string this necklace. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video, okay? Thank you. So you can see a better pattern and what it really looks like once I get it all done together. Thanks.